Friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make scrambled egg in microwave. It is an easy recipe and you can make it within 1 minute. For making scrambled egg, we need 1 egg, a small piece of butter, a pinch of black pepper powder, and 1 tablespoon milk. Okay, we are going to make it. First we need to break the egg. This is salted butter, so no need to add additional salt. If you are using unsalted butter, you can add a pinch of salt. Okay, we have added black pepper powder, butter and milk. Mix it well. Now put it in microwave. Okay, you have to mix all the ingredients in a ceramic bowl which is microwave friendly. Okay, now I am placing it in microwave and you can cook it for 30 seconds. Okay, first step is over. We can take it out. Now mix it well. Okay, now we can place it in microwave for another 30 seconds. Okay, let's check it. See, our scrambled egg is ready to serve. You should try this, it is very easy and it is tasty also. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for watching more videos.